Hello students, in this lecture we see the next article in the chapter line and plane, that is the coplanarity of the lines. Coplanarity of the lines. Okay, here the coplanarity of the lines we have already discussed when we learn the shortest distance between the skew lines. Okay, here if the shortest distance between two lines is a 0, then the two lines are the coplanar. Okay, then the condition for the coplanar lines, okay, here see carefully, we consider the two lines. Okay, here it is let r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar and r bar is equal to a2 bar plus mu b2 bar. Okay, are any two lines. Okay, here if lines are coplanar, then the condition for the coplanar lines, it is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar. It is a condition for the coplanar line, and this condition we have already discussed and we see the examples on it. Okay, in our lecture, I think lecture number 10, 11 and 12. Okay, that is the distance, shortest distance between lines, and if the shortest distance between lines is a 0, then the lines are the coplanar. And we know that any two parallel lines are always coplanar. Now here we check the coplanarity of the non-parallel lines. Okay, and here it is r bar, it is first line, and it is second line r2. Suppose the non-parallel lines, okay, parallel lines are always coplanar, r2 the non-parallel lines. Okay, then the coplanarity, then these two lines are the coplanar if this condition satisfies, that is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. Okay, here it is this condition we have already discussed. Okay, here see carefully, it is condition for the coplanarity of line. Okay, if this condition satisfies, then the given two lines are the coplanar. Okay, now we want to find the equation of the plane containing these two lines. Okay, here equation of plane containing these lines. Okay, see carefully, here there is a plane and these are the two non-parallel lines. Okay, here r bar is equal to a1 plus lambda b1 bar, and it is r bar is equal to a2 bar plus it is mu b2 bar. Okay, that means this line parallel to the point a1, sorry, passing through point. Okay, this line passing through point a1, and here this line passing through the point a2, and this line is a parallel to b1. Okay, because the equation of line r bar is equal to a1 plus lambda b1. A bar, it is a1 bar, it is a line passing through point, and b1, it is a parallel vector to the line. Now here these two lines containing the plane. Okay, here therefore line passing through point a1, that means the point a1 lie on the plane, that means the plane passing through point a1 or a2. Okay, there are given 2 points a1 and a2, plane passing through point a1 or a2. Okay, and plane is a parallel to the vector b1 and b2. See carefully here. Okay, line containing the plane, and then b1, it is a b1 is a parallel to the line, that means the parallel to the plane. b2 is a parallel to the line, that means it is a parallel to the plane. Here two vectors given that the parallel to the plane, b1 and b2 are parallel to the plane, that means their cross product is a perpendicular to the plane, and we know that the equation of plane, it is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar, that is n bar is a normal, and here normal is b1 cross b2. Okay, here it is a b2. normal, it is a b1 bar cross b2 bar. First equation r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar. Second equation r bar is equal to a2 bar plus mu b2 bar. These are the equation of lines. Plane passing through point a1 or a2 and perpendicular to the b1 cross b2, because b1 and b2 are parallel to the plane, therefore their cross product is a perpendicular to the plane. That means the normal to the plane, it is b1 cross b2, and plane passing through point we take a1 or a2. Therefore the equation of plane containing lines r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. Here normal is b1 cross b2 and a1 is a passing through point, or we take equation of plane r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a2 is also plane passing through point, it is b1 cross b2. Okay, it is the equation of plane. Okay, here these are the two equation of plane are in the vector form, but for the solving the examples we take only the first equation. The passing through point we take from the first equation of line, that is we take a1. Okay, प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करते वेळेस फक्त ही इक्वेशन घ्या, दोन्ही इक्वेशन सॉल्व करू नका. प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करते वेळेस पासिंग थ्रू पॉईंट कोणता घेणार, ए. तुम्हाला इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन काढण्यासाठी काय काय माहित पाहिजे, पासिंग थ्रू पॉईंट आणि नॉर्मल, दॅट इज द परपेंडिक्युलर टू द प्लेन. मग इथं b1 क्रॉस b2 इट इज अ परपेंडिक्युलर टू द प्लेन. मग पासिंग थ्रू पॉईंट कोणता, तर इथं पासिंग थ्रू पॉईंट दोन आहेत, कोणताही एक घेतला तरी चालते. पण कॅल्क्युलेशन करते वेळेस काय करायचं, पहिली जी लाईन दिलेली आहे त्या पहिल्या लाईनचाच पॉईंट घ्या, दॅट इज a1. ओके, हे नाही लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. ओके, हियर इट इज अ कंडिशन फॉर द कोप्लेनॅरिटी ऑफ द लाईन्स. ओके, व्हेन टू नॉन पॅरलल लाईन्स आर द coplanar, then this condition satisfied, that is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2. This condition we have already discussed. Okay, then the equation of plane containing these two lines, such type of examples are also we discuss in our lecture, that is the equation of plane passing through point and parallel to the two vectors. Okay, here it is a parallel to the two vectors. R bar dot, it is a normal passing through point and it is again normal. We take this equation or this. Okay, but for the exam we use only the first formula for the equation of plane, and it is a vector equation of plane. Okay, now we can write the Cartesian form of this. Okay, here let equation of lines, equation of it is non-parallel lines. Okay, it is x minus x1 upon a1, y minus y1 upon b1, z minus z1 upon c1, and x minus x2 upon a2, y minus y2 upon b2, and z minus z2 upon c2. Okay, here these are the non-parallel lines. We write the condition for the coplanarity of this line. If these lines are the parallel, then that are always coplanar. Okay, now these are the non-parallel lines, then the condition for the coplanarity, therefore the lines are coplanar if this condition satisfied, and this condition in the form of the vector we can write in the form of the Cartesian, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and here z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 and c2 is equal to 0. That is the triple product of these three vectors, that is first vector it is a2 bar minus a1 bar, it is the first vector, dot b1 it is the second vector, and b2 is the third vector. Then triple product of these three vectors is equal to 0. And here the triple product by using the components. The point A1, x1, y1, z1. Point A2, x2, y2, z2. Then we can write x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Component of the vector A2 bar minus A1 bar. Then B1 is a vector parallel to the first line, and direction ratios of the B1, A1, B1, C1. Direction ratios of the B1 vector, okay, and direction ratios of the B2. It is A2, B2 and C2 here. Okay, it is a condition for the coplanar line. This also we discuss. Okay, now the equation of plane. Equation of plane containing these lines. Okay, here we take only this equation. Okay, we can erase this equation, see carefully, but it is also the equation of plane. Okay, we can write this equation or this equation. Now here this equation of plane we can write also in the form here r bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. Here this RHS we can take LHS and common dot b1 bar cross b2 bar here. Now again here it is a triple product, scalar triple product. It is first vector, it is second and it is third. Here r bar is x, y, z. A bar it is x1, y1, z1. Therefore the Cartesian equation we can directly write in the form x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1, a1, b1 and c1, a2, b2 and c2 is equal to 0. It is a Cartesian form and it is vector form. Okay, see carefully this. When two lines are the coplanar, then this condition in the form of the vector, and it is a Cartesian form. The equation of plane containing these two lines, the equation of plane containing these two lines, it is a vector equation. We can write this equation or this equation. Okay, it is in the form of the Cartesian form. Okay, equation of plane containing two lines. Okay, now see carefully this. Now we take the example on the coplanarity of lines. Okay, here see carefully this. It is a vector form and it is Cartesian form. Now we see the example on the coplanarity of the line in the exercise 6.4, example number 3. Show that lines r bar is equal to 2j cap minus 3k cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap and plus 3k cap, and r bar is equal to 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap plus mu into 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap are coplanar. And find the equation of the plane determined by them. Okay, now first we show These two lines are the coplanar, that is we use the condition for the coplanarity of the line, that is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. If it is a 0, then two lines are the coplanar, and then we find the equation of plane containing these two lines. That is equation of plane, it is r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a1. Okay, we take a1 or a2, but for solving example we take the first passing through point, okay, from the first equation of line. It is a passing through point. Okay, here we take the first, that is the a1. The equation of plane is r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar, and it is the equation of plane. Okay, here now first we show these two lines are the coplanar. Therefore given lines here r bar is equal to 2j cap minus 3k cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Therefore a bar is equal to 2j cap minus 3k cap, and b1, here it is a a1, okay, and b1 bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then the second line r bar is equal to 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap plus mu into 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and therefore you can write a2 bar is equal to 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap, and b2 bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, see careful this. Now here we get a1, b1, a2 and b2 bar. Okay, here first we show these two lines are the coplanar, that means a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 is equal to 0. So first find a2 bar minus a1 bar and then the cross product of b1 and b2. Okay, now here a2 bar minus a1 bar, see carefully, it is a2 and it is a1. 2I, here I it is a 0, therefore 2I minus 0. 6j minus 2j, it is a plus 4j, see carefully, 6 minus 2. Now 3 minus 3, it is a plus 6k. Here it is a2 bar minus a1 bar. Now we find the cross product, b1 cross b2 is equal to, it is a determinant of I, j and it is k. b1, the components of the b1, it is 1, 2 and 3. Component of b2, it is a 2, 3 and 4. Now here we take the cross product, I cap into 8 minus 9, okay, 8 minus 9 minus j cap into 4 minus 6. Okay, here 8 minus 9, here 4 minus 6 and plus k cap into 3 minus 4. Okay, here it is a vector b1 cross b2. Okay, here vector व्यवस्थित पहा, b1 cross b2. Okay, now therefore you can write b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to minus I cap, then plus 2j cap and minus k cap. Here minus 1, minus 2, therefore it is a plus 2 and it is minus k cap. It is b1 cross b2. Now we find a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to, see carefully, the dot product, 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap dot minus I cap plus 2j cap and minus k cap, and therefore it is 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 4 into 2 it is a plus 8, and 6 into minus 1 it is minus 6, minus 8 minus it is a 0, and therefore lines are coplanar. Okay, here first question is solved. Now the second question, equation of plane, and equation of plane containing them. Okay, here it is r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a1 dot b1 bar cross b2 bar, and therefore the equation it is r bar dot b1 it is minus 1 I cap 2j cap and minus k cap is equal to a1 it is a1 2j cap minus 3 k cap dot minus I cap plus 2j cap and minus k cap. Here we find only the dot product of these two vectors. Okay, now then it is 0 minus 1, here I component 0, then 2 into 2 is a plus 4, and here plus 3, minus 3 minus 1, and then it is a 7. Okay, therefore the equation of plane r bar dot minus I cap plus 2j cap plus minus k cap is equal to 7. Okay, now this can also write it is r bar dot I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap is equal to minus 7. It is a vector equation. See carefully here, it is vector equation of plane. Okay, the Cartesian equation of plane, it is take the r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then the Cartesian equation is x minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 7, that is x plus 2y plus z plus 7 is equal to 0. It is a Cartesian equation of plane. Okay, now here first we show the two lines are the coplanar, and then find the equation of plane containing these two lines. See carefully, check all the calculations.